All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Much appreciated. Going to be doing another review video today. This time it's going to be on Sazmining. It's a clean Bitcoin mining company. It's going to be a review video on how to invest in it video. So they're currently on a website called StartEngine. If you're not familiar with StartEngine, it's a website you can sign up for and you can invest in startup companies such as Sazmining. I did another video on Blackout Coffee. It's a non-crypto investment video on StartEngine that I invested in. I thought you guys might be interested in as well. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, invest at your own risk, and this is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so let's get into it. Sazmining, clean Bitcoin mining. We make purchasing rigs and mining Bitcoin as easy as subscribing to Netflix. Our latest mining facility went live January 2023 and is now fully operational. Okay, so they have an introduction video here. I watched it. It's rather long, so I'm not going to play it for you guys, but definitely check it out when you get a chance. I'll leave all links in the description of the video so you can check it out if you're interested in investing in Sazmining. There's a lot of information. Going to try to keep this brief, and you want to do a more in-depth due diligence on your own time as well. So here are some reasons to invest. They have top-tier professionals on their team, massive marketing opportunity, early and exciting momentum. They've already earned over $390,000 in revenue since they began collecting mining rig payments in December of 2022. They have a letter of intent for $10 million investment, and their latest mining facility went live in January 2023. So here's their pitch. We believe that Bitcoin mining is too complicated and costly for billions of people around the world. It is also notoriously energy sensitive, and critics point to its carbon footprint. We believe that Sazmining solves all of these issues in one fell swoop. Sazmining manages the entire mining process for our customers so that they don't have to lift a finger in order to receive Bitcoin directly into their wallets. Even better, we lower the financial barriers to mining by aggregating customer purchasing power to buy mining rigs in bulk. With a 350 mining rig capacity facility already live, press enthusiasm in the recent launch of our platform, we are ready to build a clean, accessible future in Bitcoin mining. So basically, you're buying rigs, they're managing them for you, powering them for you, using clean energy. It's a more efficient, more cost-effective, and it results in more profit for you and more profit for them. Okay, the marriage between better money and clean energy. William Sazmining, I know I'm butchering that name, I apologize, Will, had already been a seasoned tech entrepreneur when he first heard about Bitcoin, the next global reserve asset. After months of research, he knew he had to build a company that would make it easier for people to own Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Kent Halliburton, a veteran of renewable energy sector, heard Will in an interview. Kent was impressed and quickly connected with Will. So that's how it started. Bitcoin mining should be as easy as ordering a Netflix subscription. Top-tier professionals. Helping customers make money by solving the climate crisis. Our mining rigs run on either clean energy sources like hydropower or methane gas that would have otherwise been emitted into the atmosphere. We believe that we are contributing to the subsidizing clean energy sector and curbing humanity's greenhouse gas emissions. We are endeavoring to solve both of these problems by aggregating customer purchasing power to access low-cost, carbon-neutral Bitcoin mining facilities. So many problems, one solution. So one barrier to entry is obviously Bitcoin, how to set it up, managing the rigs, repairing the rigs, power sources. So all this is very energy intensive and labor intensive. They handle it all for you, managing it, powering it, etc. Being transparent and easy. We're fully transparent with our customers as they pursue our platform. They know exactly what to expect from their miners. So they have a little calculator on their website here. you can get an idea. So obviously the couple of things that concern me right off the bat is what happens if the Bitcoin price gets so low or it doesn't become cost effective anymore, or maybe even you're losing money with management costs. So that's obviously a concern. Also, if you're buying mining rigs and you don't want to mine with them anymore, what happens? How do you get your mining rigs back? So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll have answers to those questions for you. If you like this kind of content, you like crypto, you like crypto tutorials, reviews, NFTs, play to earn games, all things crypto, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give me a like. It would be much appreciated. All right, so here you can see an example of what your dashboard would look like if you own mining rigs with Sazmining. You can see active rigs, active hash rate, total Bitcoin mined, your return on investment, recent payouts, turning toxic emissions into green profits. So they raised $1.8 million during their seed stage. They launched their platform in April at Bitcoin 2022 in Miami, secured 2 megawatts of renewable energy for Bitcoin mining, sold 122 rigs for a total of $390,000 in revenue, secured a hydro facility in Wisconsin, which will be live in January, 464 people on the wait list. I have some comments. You can read those when you get a chance. Talks about Bitcoin and climate change. So if you invest to receive Bitcoin goodies, our treat. So they have different tier levels of investing. We'll get into that in a second as I scroll down. They talk about the Bitcoin or the crypto industry, where their headquarters are. Their headquarters is in Maryland, but their mining facility is in Wisconsin, their first one. So here they talk about the team. They have name, faces, and LinkedIn links, so you can do some more due diligence about the team when you get a chance. And there's some brief descriptions of their qualifications. So all of them have LinkedIn links, which is very important. You can click those links and see where they went to school and their experience and etc. Okay, so the terms $13.10 per share. Their current valuation is $20 million. So they're on startup until May 12th of this year. They've raised a little bit over $133,000. Minimum investment $353. So it's equity and common stock. The minimum 1145 shares. Maximum is 94,274. So here's their SEC filing. You can click on that, do a little bit more due diligence. Their offering circle, offering memorandum, and here are the risks. So we went over these numbers up top there. So here are your time-based perks. I'm not sure where we are here, but definitely not in the first 72 hours. So these are the tier perks. So this is early bird stuff, and I believe that's passed. And also here are some perks, so it depends on how much money you invest. The more money, the more perks. You can read that when you get a chance. So you get a 10% StartEngine bonus. So there's a subscription you can belong to, a StartEngine subscription. I'll leave a link in the description. It's my referral link. If you could use it, that'd be great. But there's a couple of benefits to using my link. One is that you get 10% more shares if you subscribe to StartEngine. Okay, and it's a 1-week trial, and you can cancel at the end of the week and still get that bonus. So I did that with Blackout Coffee. I have not invested in this company yet. I'm considering it. I don't know yet. Also, if you use my link, I get shares of the actual shares of StartEngine and the site and company itself, and you will also get shares of StartEngine. So I'll leave my link in the description of the video. It'd be much appreciated if you could use my link. So here's they release some like updates, gaining momentum, surpassed the 100,000 mark. So there's a letter of intent for 25 million. And here's a video. It talks about their latest Bitcoin mining facility. It's lengthy, so I'll leave it up to you guys to watch it. It's another part of your due diligence you should consider. All right, so let's go over to their website. Here's their website, sazmining.com. Get freshly mined Bitcoin straight to your wallet. Get started. So I click on Get Started, and you see you can buy your rigs here. So their Bitmain, 100 terahashes. One of them is 2,000. So you have taxes, 2110 is the total. Proceed to rig purchase. So there's where you would buy your rig. You have to sign up for an account here. So this is kind of like your calculator. So this is how many rigs. So if you have one rig, $238 in revenue, $180 for energy and maintenance. So you get $58 a month. Now, I don't know what Bitcoin price they're using. It might say down here in the fine print. Average BTC value. So we really don't know what that is. The easiest way to start hosted mining, buy your mining rigs. We set up the rig and mining to earn profits. So you can buy up to 15 rigs. You can use ACH, Bitcoin, USDC, or wire transfer. You mine it straight to the wallet. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin mining. So every Bitcoin miner has a serial number, and that is going to correspond with you and the fact that you own it. Rig performance, hash rate, Bitcoin mined, and much more. Pre-vetted and institutional grade sustainability, global technology opportunity. You can sign up, or if you have, you can sign up for like newsletters or something like that. So you can talk to a mining specialist, which is right down here in the right corner. And I did ask some questions, which I'll get into in a minute. So historically now is the best time to buy miners. So let's talk about that. So Bitcoin obviously is way down from 60,000. Its recent high. It's down to about a little bit over 20,000, I believe, right now. Let's check real quick. 22,000 right now. So there's people that are talking that say it could go down to 18 or even $10,000. So that's a good point in this video to talk about what happens if Bitcoin goes so low that it's no longer profitable to be on this Sazmining, to have Sazmining manager rigs. So this is what I asked. So, okay, one second. So they said to me that their business model was built around the time when Bitcoin was $15,000, and it was still profitable. If such a situation arises, the senior manager and the owner of the company will come up with a decision that will work for our clients. Who knows what that means, but let's hope that it's something that will be amicable towards both parties. However, based on the current trends in Bitcoin value, I would say such a situation will not arise. So obviously that's their opinion. We don't know what the price of Bitcoin is going to be. So another concern of mine is what happens when you no longer want to use Saz mining? How do you get your mining rigs? So they said the minimum time that a rig has to be hosted with us is 1 year from the date of it being online. After this time passes and if you wish to no longer host your rig, it can be shipped to you for a fee. This fee can vary with distance and will be larger if you live outside the US. So if you no longer want them to operate your Bitcoin miners, you can have them shipped back to you. So that's a couple of things to think about. So let me know what you think, guys. Like I said, you have to go to StartEngine.com to invest. If you're interested in it, it's called Saz Mining. If you could use my link in the description, I'd be much appreciated. Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video. And again, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Much appreciated. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.